In the ancient land of Israel, there lived a man named Samson, known for his extraordinary strength, a gift granted to him by God. His power was tied to his long hair, a symbol of his vow to the Lord. But despite his divine endowment, Samson struggled with obedience. His heart was captivated by Delilah, a beautiful woman from the valley of Sorek. Little did he know, Delilah was a woman with a hidden agenda, sent by the Philistines to discover the secret of his strength. Delilah, sensing Samson's affections, began to probe him for the truth. "Samson, what makes you so strong?" she asked, her eyes sparkling with curiosity. Although he loved her, Samson was wary. He told her lies at first, giving her false secrets about his strength, but her persistence and seductive charm wore him down. As days turned into weeks, Delilah pressed him relentlessly, and Samson, blinded by love, grew weary of her questioning. He finally revealed the truth. His strength lay in his uncut hair, a symbol of his dedication to God. In his moment of weakness, he disobeyed God's command and entrusted his secret to a woman who sought his downfall. With this knowledge, Delilah betrayed him. That fateful night, as Samson lay asleep in her lap, Delilah called for the Philistines. They came rushing in and cut off his hair, stripping him of his strength. When he woke, he was disoriented and vulnerable, unaware that the Spirit of the Lord had departed from him. The Philistines seized him, gouging out his eyes, and he was taken captive, chained, and made to grind grain like a common slave. Samson's disobedience had led to his downfall. However, in the depths of his despair, he remembered the Lord. His hair began to grow back, symbolizing a chance for redemption and forgiveness. As he was brought to a grand feast in the Philistine temple, he called upon God one last time. "O Lord God, please remember me and strengthen me just once more." With newfound determination, Samson pushed against the pillars of the temple, praying for the strength to be avenged against the enemies of his people. The temple crumbled, bringing down the Philistines along with him. In his final act, Samson showed that even from the depths of failure, one can return to God and fulfill his purpose. The story of Samson and Delilah teaches us valuable lessons about obedience, the dangers of temptation, and the importance of remaining true to our commitments to God. It reminds us that while we may stray, God's call to righteousness and the opportunity for redemption is always available. Thanks for watching. If this story inspired you, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on the notification bell so you don't miss the next chapter in our Bible story series. Share this with someone who needs a little faith today, and I'll see you in the next story. God bless.